Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit at Web for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to explore generative AI. And in this video we are going to generate a response based on text. And this code what I am developing here will be precise. So don't even miss a comma. So we'll start our coding with the URL, and it is an important factor. We should know this URL. Okay, so all it gets started with HTTPS, and we'll say generative language as we are dealing with generative AI. Okay, then we say dot Google APIs, okay, .com, and the next thing which we have to mention is version 1, and whether it's alpha, beta, gamma, we have to say that. And the next thing which we have to say is the models. So we have to call Gemini, and the version will be 2.5. Okay, and the name start with as flash, and we just generate the content with the help of this. Okay, so I think we are good to go. And the next thing we have to do is we have to get the response by posting, in which I'm going to utilize the request model. There's already libraries there for this GenAI, but as I know Python, the API as well as JSON, so I'm ready to do these things. And if you are following my video, you already know what I'm doing. So just go with it. Just give the URL, okay, and mention the headers. In this curly braces, we have to say only the API key. Okay, so if you follow any kind of other videos, it will be too much in a code or something, and we are taking only the required stuff. Okay, so here I think we are done. And the next thing we have to say about the JSON, and in this syntax is important. So all we start with curly braces, and in this curly braces what we are doing, we are dealing with contents. Okay, and in this contents what we required is to deal with parts. Okay, so in this we have to say parts, and in this parts we are going to give the text which will be in our square as well as curly braces. Okay, so which will be contained as in text, and this text will be, we'll say any of the things which you are looking for. So in simple we'll say explain AI in few words. So everybody know about the AI, and if it is not familiar, it will lead in ambiguity. Okay, so we are trying to generate some of the standard response, so that's the reason it will definitely gonna give the required results. Okay, so this should be precise, and the response should be in a JSON, and I'm gonna straight put this in a print. Okay, and if I'm not done any mistake, it will definitely gonna give me what I'm looking for. Okay, so you have to fill certain stuff, which is you need to import the module, and you need to import your API key, which is you have to open the file which is available, which is in text, and you should read them. Okay, and if any spaces are there, you need to strip them, and the file name should be perfect. Okay, and if you want your API key, I will give a video, a 60-second video, link in the description to try. Okay, so we just check that everything is good, and all you need is syntax should be perfect. If you miss anything, it won't give the results. Okay, so I think I'm pretty much closed everything. Okay, parts text. So let's go with it. Okay, so perfect. We have been generated what we are looking for. Okay, so the text, the response which we got is machines start think and learn. Okay, so it's definitely a machine learning, and this kind of a things as an API which gives boost to your machine learning. That's what we say as an artificial intelligence. And there are a number of things are there to boost up the machine learning, okay, especially those models. And I think in our part, this generative AI, this API helps a lot. Okay, and it will definitely gonna automate our process, say fundamental analysis or sentiment analysis in a great way. Okay, so the part which we can do generate response, and even can text to speech we can do, a lot of things can be done, and even some of part of the image generation is there, but we have to set some billing part. But I think we no need that thing. We can follow our chatbot application which is in GitHub, and if you are looking for the video, just check in my channel, just utilize those image, and if you give that image to this, it will gonna give response as it is given in text. So it will be great. Even you can check the GitHub pages, it is mostly explained how it is exploring the images and generating the responses. So for that reason we are exploring this stuff. Okay, so it is correlated, and further also if it is missed something, we'll explore some other generative AI concepts, or say generative kind of a API which allow us to generate responses as per our requirement. Okay, as of right now, thanks for watching. And I suppose if you are looking for any kind of a particular response, you can call in this way, you can say as a candidates. Okay, and the response which it will generate as if you try to query, okay, more and more, it will get you an error. So it's best make it precise and make it less, so that will be great. So candidates you can say as a 0th, and you can say as a content. Okay, and you can call the parts where it is available, so contents and parts. Okay, and finally with 0th and with available text. So you will get only the part whereas text is there. So let's run this stuff and see what we got. So if you have not done any mistake, and this time the response which we'll see will definitely gonna something else. So as it was suggested something else, as of right now it is smart computers start learn. Okay, since it is a generative AI, it is a dynamic one. It generates responses based on your prompts, based on text queries, so all of the stuff. So should be accurate, and whenever you get the results, since it is in Python, and if you know the Python, you can store it in CSV text where you can utilize later. So I've done a lot of stuff like generating MCQ. Okay, so mainly I've been generated some of the response, took it in CSV, and then I have been generated some of the images with the help of Python, not with the help of this one. Okay, so a lot of stuff which we can do, as in we can create an audio overview, video overview, mind map, okay, quiz, flashcards, as our notebook LM does. Okay, especially an LLM, whatever the things does, any kind of a generative AI does, we can do all with the help of this. Okay, so make it precise, and whenever it is required, go with it. And there are a lot of predictive models are there, so you should know better that first, and then you should come to this. Okay, so what happens, those things whichever as in data which you are looking for as in collection, so this will be L4. So all of the things is like kind of a boost up you can utilize. Just collect all of those things and give it to your models, and look what the magic it does. Okay, as of right now, thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me by WhatsApp. Thank you.